Hey folks, can you do this multiplication in just 3 seconds? Not so easy, right? But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you some crazy tricks that will help you do these calculations faster than a calculator. So stick around till the end. Let's start with the most basic trick for multiplication, multiplying any number by 11. For example, let's solve 24 multiplied by 11. The regular method would look like this. As you can see, the first and last digits of the answer remain the same as the multiplying number, and the middle digit is simply their sum. This is the trick. Now let's solve this using the shortcut trick. 34 multiplied by 11. The first and last digits remain the same, and the middle digit is the sum of 3 and 4, which equals 7. So the answer is 374. Wow, that's way faster than the regular method, isn't it? Let's try another example. 61 multiplied by 11. The first and last digits stay the same, and the middle digit is the sum of 6 and 1. That's 7. So the answer is 671. Here's another one. 75 multiplied by 11. First and last digits stay the same, and the middle digit is the sum of 7 and 5, which equals 12. Wait a second. Something seems off. Here the sum is greater than 9, so what do we do now? Let's take a moment to check the regular method. As you can see, the carry 1 from the sum 12 is added to the first digit 7, making it 8. So we'll do the same process in the trick. Add the carry 1 to 7, which makes the first digit 8 and second digit 2. So the final answer is 825. Let's try one more example with carry 95 multiplied by 11. The first and last digits remain the same. The sum of 9 and 5 is 14. Add the carry 1 to 9, making it 10, and the middle digit becomes just 4. So the final answer is 145. We can use this same method for numbers with any number of digits. Let's try a 3-digit number, 342 multiplied by 11. First, let's look at the regular method. Here, there are 2 digits in the middle of the answer, and they are the sums of 2 adjacent digits in the number. That is 7 is 3 plus 4, and 6 is 4 plus 2. Now let's use this info in the trick. The first and last digits stay the same, and the middle digits are the sum of 3 and 4 and 4 and 2. That's 7 and 6. So the final answer is 3762. Now let's try an example, but with carry, 7 and 98 multiplied by 11. The first and last digits stay the same. The middle digits are the sum of 7 and 9 and 9 and 8. That is 16 and 17. First, add the carry 1 from 17 to 16, making it 17, and only 7 remains at 17. Then add the carry 1 from 17 to 7, making it 8, and again 7 remains at 17. So the final answer is 8778. I hope you understood the steps. Now let's jump into the next trick, multiplying 2-digit numbers that have the same first digit and whose last digits add up to 10. I know the description sounds a bit confusing, but don't worry, I'll explain it with an example. Let's multiply 43 by 47. Here, both are 2-digit numbers with the same first digit, which is 4, and their last digits add up to 10. That is, 3 plus 7 equals 10. For this type of multiplication, the answer has 2 parts. The first part is the product of the first digit with the next number in the sequence. Here, that's 4 times 5, which equals 20. Now, the second part is the product of the last digits. That is 3 times 7, which gives 21. So the final answer is 2021. Let's try one more example, 64 multiplied by 66. The first part is 6 times 7, which equals 42. The second part is 4 times 6, which equals 24. So the final answer is 4224. This trick works for 3-digit numbers too, but only in specific cases, specifically when the first 2 digits are 11 for both numbers. Watch this example, 102 multiplied by 118. Here, the first part is 11 multiplied by 12. For that, we can use the first trick we learned earlier. That gives us 132. Now for the second part, there's no change. It's just 2 times 8, which equals 16. So the final answer is 13216. But remember, this only works if the first 2 digits are 11. Now it's your turn. Try solving these problems yourself and comment your answers below. So that's all for this video. I know these 2 tricks won't turn you into a human calculator overnight, but don't worry, this is just the beginning. I'll be bringing more amazing tricks in another video very soon, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned.